I'm on the Goblin Line, I'm at Upper Holloway, and today we'll be going to Barking Riverside because I've never been and I kind of wanted to go. We're just at Upper Holloway station. The train is about to leave. I think it's just over half an hour. And yeah, we should get to Barking Riverside, explore the station, and then get our train back. Was the 15:33 service to Gospel Oak. We're going to get on the 15:48 back. I just got to go in the front cabin of the London Overground train. That's pretty sick. So that will be our train out. So it's the 15:48 to Gospel Oak. So obviously this is the terminus station for the Goblin Line, and it serves trains every 15 minutes going in the direction of Gospel Oak. First stop is Barking, with interchanges with the Tube and C2C. This station is step-free, there's 2 lifts, and it has an interchange with the riverboat services. The architecture of the station is absolutely lovely. It's a massive ticket hall. There's a total of 6 gates. There's 1 wide gate for wheelchairs, buggies, and if you just need a lot of space. And yeah, there's 2 lifts. It's pretty cool, and it obviously has interchange with the riverboat services. Quite irrelevant, but it's a pretty spacious lift, and it has quite a bit of space, so if this station does get busy with buggies and stuff, they will be able to fit, as there is 2 lifts. Main question is, does this station really have a use? At the moment, absolutely not, but in a few years when they do up the area, have all the housing developments and just make the area nicer, I think it definitely will. And it's a very nice station, big capacity, so yeah, I do think it will have a use in a few years, but currently absolutely not. As the sun begins to set and the day begins to end, I will just have to say goodbye and thank you ever so much for watching.